Okay guys, so I just got this desk and I wanted to come on here to review it for you guys. So first of all, just want to mention how beautiful this color is. I mean, it's just such a cute desk for an office. You can also get it for like a dining table, but I just love it in my office. It just gives such cozy vibes. And honestly, I just think it's beautiful. So I wanted to show you guys kind of a closer up of what it's actually like. So this is the bottom of it. It's got kind of like two pillars kind of coming out diagonally. And then we've got the inside is completely clear, like the middle part. And this is what it looks like from that side. I do still have the stickers on there, so I can definitely take that off, but just wanted to show you a full look before. And then this is what the bottom looks like. You don't see those black pillars at all. You just see the beautiful top of the desk and then the part on the bottom. So I absolutely love it, guys. This is the cutest desk I've ever had for my office. And it's just so cozy. So if you're in the market for a desk, you should definitely go check this out.